High-quality cashmere has the potential to last a lifetime with the right care. As part of our commitment to sustainability and our promise to provide the highest quality garments, we are proud to offer a refresh, repair and return service on your Hilditch Key cashmere sweaters. In the same way that you'd service a classic car, an investment piece such as a beautifully made cashmere sweater benefits from regular maintenance to preserve the integrity of the knitwear. To offer this service, we have to make the right decisions at the beginning of our product's journey. With certified sustainable herding and grazing, along with high standards of animal welfare, Mongolia is a source for some of the finest cashmere in the world. Due to the vast range of Himalayan elements that the Mongolian goats will face, their wool is deemed to have the longest and most resilient fibers, resulting in ultimate smoothness, softness, and durability. But the real magic happens closer to home. Scotland is famously regarded as the home of cashmere. We work with a prestigious knitwear company on the banks of the River Tweed to provide a collective artisanal knowledge that has been passed down for generations, where attention to detail is second to none. With the exception of some motorized assistance on modern machines, the manufacturing processes used today are the same that have been used for over 100 years. All of our sweaters are expertly put together by hand, with each skilled member of the team being responsible for a single task on each sweater. Your garment will pass through multiple pairs of skilled hands before it is finally washed in the soft, crystal waters of the Scottish borders to remove excess oils and give the cashmere a feeling of ultimate luxury. With the care and attention that goes into finishing every Hilditch Key sweater, there is only one place we could trust to restore the garments, and that's the same team of experts that created it originally. Your Hilditch Key knitwear will be returned to Scotland for its dedicated service of stain removal, damage repair and de-pilling, providing your sweater with a like-new feeling, not to mention a garment that will stand the test of time for generations, keeping it looking as good as the day you bought it with Hilditch Key.